Today we'll be installing the rear polycarbonate windshield. The tools required to complete this installation are a 4mm Allen wrench, pen or pencil, tape measure, 10mm socket, a T25 Torx bit, a socket, and if needed, an adapter for your Torx bit. The included hardware in this kit: 5 ROPS brackets, 5 window brackets, a lower ROPS bracket, and the screws for that bracket. Now we'll install the hardware on the ROPS. The first step to install the ROPS mounting brackets is to measure 1.3 inches from the lower edge of the rear ROPS. You'll mark this with your pen or pencil. With the mark placed, clip in the lower edge of your ROPS mounting bracket. It will snap in place. Next, we'll measure 4.3 inches from this right-hand side outer edge of the mounting bracket. And we'll mark that point with our pen or pencil. Similar to before, we'll snap in the ROPS mounting bracket on that line. Next, we'll measure 25 inches from that same outer point and mark it with our pen or pencil. We'll place the edge of our ROPS mounting bracket along that line. Now do the same thing to this side of the machine. Same measurements, 1.3 inches from the lower edge. And snap our ROPS mounting bracket into place. We'll mimic our previous measurement of 4.3 inches. Mark this and snap our ROPS mounting bracket into place once again. With our ROPS hardware in place, we'll now install the brackets onto the wind. Slide the black brackets in place. Listen for the audible snap. Now I'm going to install the lower support bracket. We'll flip the windshield over to expose the 2 pre-drilled holes. Insert, place the nut, start them by hand. Ensure to leave these loosely tightened. We'll now place the rear windshield onto the machine. When doing so, ensure that the rear seat is also down so the clip can fall into place. When tightening the rear windshield, you can either use a T25 Torx bit or a 4mm Allen wrench, whatever you have on hand. For more information on this accessory or other CAT UTV accessories, visit cat.com.